Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the MX Key Mini in graphite. This is for Windows, but it can also be used for Mac. But they have a dedicated one for Mac and the colors as well. So it says in here ultra fluid typing, minimalistic wireless illuminated keyboard. So it has backlight, Bluetooth, and obviously they recommend the MX mouse, which I do have. So yeah, let's just open it up, take it out and have a look. See what they give us. Okay. So it shows you how to choose. So you turn it on, Bluetooth, it will come up on your screen, and then you do the MX setup logi.com for the application, so you could customize it. Easy switch, so you can switch between 3 Bluetooth devices by pressing for 3 seconds on the Bluetooth button. So yeah, let's just take it out. So that's the keyboard itself. We do get a cable. Unfortunately it's USB A to C, but it is what it is, and I don't think they gave us a dongle with this one. Let's just make sure. No. So no dongle. You just have the charging cable, and we'll leave it in there. And then the keyboard itself. Why I want this keyboard? So this keyboard is for to use on a desk, like a small desk. It's portable as well, so you can take it with you. Let me just take this out of the way. So yeah, so it's portable. You can just take it with you, or if you have a small desk, it is light, very sturdy. Same setup, same kind of like raised edge on the top, which you can't really adjust. That's how you turn it on, and then it goes straight into pairing mode. Let's just see if we can show you. So the backlight is as powerful as the other one. That's an MX Master 4. And yeah, you have a really nice layout, and I love the backlight. And if you can get this for a good deal, that's amazing as well. So yeah, how it compares against the bigger brother. So that's the bigger brother. As you can see, they've added this extra in here. This is actually the MX Key Master, MX Keys S, and that's the MX Keys Mini. So one thing I've noticed, if you compare them, they've done I feel like they haven't used the same. This white is a bit grayer or something, or am I going? No, I think it's just me hallucinating a bit. So yeah, I really like it because it's portable to start with. So what I'm going to use it is either in my backpack at the office, or on my TV, and maybe with something else. But as well, if you have a small desk, I'm lucky enough to have a big desk, so I could use the larger type at my desk. But this one is brilliant for portability. If you want to change your Bluetooth devices, I think you press FN and 2. Let's see how I did actually, because this is a bit different. I should have read the instructions. I'm trying to figure out. I thought you would be like FN and then you select another one. It's clearly not. So yeah, let me just quickly see. Okay, so it was saying on the box, but I thought it's just to put it in pairing mode. So you just press and hold for 3 seconds, and then it switches to the other one. I think that's quite good. Backlight, I think you can only press Fn and then you can lower it. And this probably works only when you have paired it. So yeah, but there's a few modes of the backlight as well. And yeah, there you have it, guys. Really nice keyboard.